Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna take a look at 10 summer outfits. So this is my summer lookbook 2020. So here in the first outfit, this is a very simple and casual outfit which consists of a solid white t-shirt from David Gandy, grey joggers from BOYA and NBA white sneakers. Second outfit is casual as well. This can also be called as kind of semi-formal. This consists of the same David Gandy t-shirt, beach chinos from Henry & Smith and my NBA white sneaker. The accessories are paired with these outfits and the occasion are mentioned. Third outfit here is a casual one as well. Here I've got myself an olive green Henley from Zara, black chinos from Henry & Smith and the same NBA white sneakers. This t-shirt won't be a problem in summers because this is 100% cotton and very lightweight. The fourth outfit on our list, this is a streetwear outfit. As you can see, I've paired this outfit with accessories like the psychedelic patterned snapback hat and a red fanny pack. Here I've worn an oversized t-shirt from H&M, Van Heusen basketball shorts and one of my favorite sneakers that I own, the Nike Air Max 720s. This outfit is a very casual outfit. This is not just for like daytime casual things, but you can wear this in the gym as well, and it looks super nice because of the whole grey aesthetic in the outfit. The grey striped sandals, the grey joggers and the grey Air Max 720s look so good together. Here I have not paired many accessories. There's just the fitness band, the MI Band 3, and this outfit is kind of a semi-formal outfit for summers, perfect for summers I'd say, with a polo t-shirt from Zara, beige cotton shorts from Aarya and the NBA white sneakers. They look so good together. And as this is a semi-formal outfit, you can pair this up with glasses. Glasses would go really well with this outfit. And here we go with the trend again. As you might know, florals are very trendy from last few years and it's gonna continue this year too. So here I've paired my floral shirt with black shorts and Vans high top black sneakers. You can tuck it all the way in, but here for this outfit I've tucked it in from just one side. It's up to you. You can tuck it, keep it untucked, or do something like I have done here. Here's a bit of a flashy outfit that's gonna grab a little more attention. I've used the same floral shirt as an overshirt in this outfit in a completely white out outfit. The solid white t-shirt with the solid denim and my NBA white sneakers. This is a really great look for the beach or just summers in general. It has that summer vibe to it. You can pair it up with sunglasses you have. It looks great with sunglasses. Here I did not use any more accessories, but you can add in more accessories as you want. The next outfit is again a streetwear outfit. And as you can see, I have used one of my favorite clothing items, the patterned socks in here, which go very well with the high top black Vans. I've added a fanny pack as well. It's completely optional. I feel the outfit looks very good without the fanny pack as well, so you can pull it off with or without the fanny pack. And for this outfit I've used a kind of a flashy watch that I have, the Fossil automatic watch, so it kind of completes the whole streetwear game here. And the last outfit on the list is also very summer vibey kind of an outfit. It's very comfortable. It's lightweight and very breathable, as you can see. For this outfit, I have used my Fossil Commuter chronograph watch, which goes very well with the blue stripes because the band on my watch is also navy blue, which overall completes the whole outfit and gives it a casual look. So that was the list, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you don't, give it a thumbs down and let me know why you did not like this video in the comment section below. I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and support my work. If you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram handle is mentioned down below. It's @StreetStyleScape. You can follow me there and talk to me directly. My Snapchat is also right here. You can add me on Snapchat and, well, send me snaps and we can be good friends. Again, thank you so much for watching. Stay stylish, stay safe. Triple S out.